Hi guys, welcome to Holistic Classes. In this video, I'm going to share with you these few sentences that you can use to start a conversation with any person whosoever you meet. The problem lies in the fact that we know what content we have or we know what things we have to talk, but then the problem lies in the thing that we try to forget what to say in the introduction, how to actually start a conversation. So here I am with the solution to all of you. So I'll be discussing these few sentences, and after watching my video please do use these sentences, because when they'll be in your habit then you can definitely use these very often and then it will become your habit. So without any delays I would like to start it. So the first sentence is long time no see. This sentence you can use with your friends or your family or to any person whosoever you meet after a very long time, and so it can really do wonders and you can really start a conversation with this sentence. The second sentence is this your first time here? You can use this sentence when you go to a place which is not so much known to you or so much familiar to you, and you are in a group of people who are kind of strangers for you. So suppose you are traveling in a train, or suppose you are a college student and this is your first day in the college. So you can ask this question, and then you can already you will be entering into the conversation. The third sentence is, do you come here often? You can use this sentence to a stranger or to anybody you see, and you can use this, and then in reply the person will give you some reply, and then you can enter into a conversation. The fourth sentence is, hello, I wanted to introduce myself. This is a very bold sentence, and when you have enough confidence and you are ready to just actually rock the party, to rock the conversation, you can use this. And this is a sentence in which you are confronting to the person, and you are apparently making your identity clear to the person. So if you are confident enough, then you can use this sentence. The last sentence is, hi, do you have a minute? This sentence plays a very good role and in a conversation, and this using this you are doing a very good thing. Firstly, you are showing your confidence to the person, and secondly, you are also making the person an appeal to start a conversation with you. So with this you can really rock the conversation, guys. And the last sentence that I've just said, hi, do you have a minute? This you can use with anybody. It can be a formal conversation, and it can be also an informal conversation. So in both the cases you can use this sentence. So that's it, guys, for the video. I hope that you like it, and since because I said in the beginning also that please do use these sentences, because when you'll use them very often then they'll become your habit, and that these will surely bring a good impression of your identity to the person, and it will improve your image in that person's eyes. So why not to all use these sentences? So that's it, guys. If you like the video, do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon, and comment down below and tell me out of all these which is your favorite, and share it with your friends. That's it. Bye bye.